Hello everyone, this is Harry from Asus Communication. Today I'm here to show you how you can install a cooler at your PC. Most of us have cooler in the PC, is normal thing with the PCs, but in some PC it's become so much hot you need additional cooler. If you have one or two cooler, you can put two more, so it will be not hot so much because the motherboard or the hard drive is burn for the heat. So in this case we can put some additional cooler. For example, I buy this cooler of NoraNet. I buy this cooler, is a cheap one, not so much expensive, and you can connect this with the fuente, means the power supply. With the power supply you have the cord for the power supply. I buy so many because this is my work. Okay, now I can show you how you can do this. For example, here I have one PC. First we need to open the PC. How? Let me show you. I put the PC down as this. Make the PC level at the ground. After that, open. Little bit careful. If you are expert, then it's good. If you are not expert, but it's not so much difficult too. At the same time, here is the cooler. Most of the cooler come with the screw. Here are some screw. It depends on the cooler which type of screw it has. Okay. You can use 4 or you can use 2 screw in this purpose. Okay. First of all, we need to loose the wire of the cooler. When you open your PC, be careful with this because the parts are sensitive. The parts are sensitive so much, so don't touch anything without any glove. Better use a glove, but for putting the cooler, maybe you don't need a glove until you not touch the motherboard or hard drive or RAMs. Okay. I lose this cable. Now what I have to do? I have to put this cooler. For example, I have no cooler here, this part in front of the motherboard, so I can put in this here, so it will make little cool my PC for use. I will put as this. You can put as you want. The sticker is here, so I will put this as this, or I can put as this too. You see the sticker is found on the motherboard, so I will put as this. Here I connect the screw. What I need now, a screwdriver. I have one here. Maybe for this purpose I will use a little more big screwdriver. This is my tool kit. Okay, now as you see, I connect these 2 screws so the cooler is adjust with the PC exact. Here is the cable. Now I have to connect this cable with the power supply. Okay, here is one is unused. What we need to do, only connect. You have to just need to connect together as this, and it will make a ticking sound. So it's done. All I need to do, just click the power button so the PC will start. I click the power button, and as you can see, the cooler is moving perfectly. And my PC, let me see, is coming or not. This monitor is blinking. See the starting window, so everything is fine. Okay, if you have any question, leave me some comment. I will try to answer you as much as fast as possible. And thank you again for watching. Good night. Ciao.